Oh, hi there. Good of you to join me. I'm just about to head off into the campo. That's the countryside, going home. So if you care to join me for another little look at how to rank videos on Google and YouTube, jump in, fasten up. Well, you don't have to fasten up your seatbelt. Well, I don't know why I say that. Because we're in the countryside, we don't have to worry about seatbelts. Let's move, okay? Hop in. Okay, away we go. So, what I was going to tell you was that a blog post there, which is not the newest, but it still holds true today, is the easiest way that you can almost be guaranteed to rank your videos on the very top of Google or YouTube. So, it gets a bit tricky on this road from time to time. Be nice. I like to go nice and steady, nice and slow. But anyway, so you're going to rank your videos. First of all, I'm assuming that you can make a video, and then once you've got your video made, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you named it for your keyword, your main keyword, and then if you right click on your video file, you'll find properties. You can go to the details and fill in the title, the subtitle, the tags, and make a couple of comments and save that, and now your actual video file is highly optimized for the search engines. Okay, so that you do that before you ever think about uploading your video. Then when you go to upload your video, make sure that you're turned to unlisted, because there's a lot of work to do before you want the spiders to see your video. Okay, if they catch on to your video and all you've got is a title, that's what they'll try and rank it for immediately, and you'll have lost your advantage. Okay, the advantage I'm just about to tell you about. Okay guys, I'm going to pause the video here, and you can discover that unfair advantage in the next part of this training. So go to Passive Income with Videos Part 3B, and I'll see you there.